their amplitude add up. Otherwise, if they meet in opposite phase, their amplitude minimize. If amplitudes are of same, then their difference is A1 minus A1 means 0, A2 minus A2 0. So suppose this is a single source of light. Single source means monochromatic source of light. Monochromatic means having single reflection. Okay. So to get S1 and S2, S1 and S2 are two coherent source of light. Coherent source of light means they are producing waves of the same phase. Means there is no any phase difference between waves producing at S1 and S2. But S1 and S2 behave like the two source of light according to Huygens principle. So wave from S1 can be shown as and wave from S2 can be shown as. If during the journey there is path difference between any two waves, path difference. If there is path difference, there is also phase difference. So this is the central line. Central line means lining the midpoint of S1 and S2. At the central point, at this point, the wave coming from S1 and wave coming from S2, there is no any path difference. If path difference is 0, phase difference is also 0. Means wave reaching at point this means central point are in same phase. So this is the central bright strip of light that is called fringe. Fringe is a strip of light. Here the intensity of light is maximum. Okay. D1 is the first dark fringe. First dark means at this point the path difference between light reaching from S1 and S2 is not same. Means they are reaching in opposite phase. Opposite phase means their amplitude cancel out like this. Two waves are in opposite phase. This amplitude along this direction and this is along this direction. So the resultant intensity is 0 here at D1. So D1 is known as first dark. Similarly, D1 is the first bright because at this point the waves reaching are in same phase. Same phase means bright intensity. Bright intensity means bright fringe. D1 and D2 are bright fringes. D1 and D2 are bright fringes. D1 and D2 are dark fringes. Clear? So central bright and both sides there are dark and bright, dark and bright. We may call D1 first dark, D2 second dark. D1 first bright, D2 second bright. Okay? Interference of light. This is the concept behind the interference, and we will discuss mathematical expression by tomorrow.